to Gusto News on Gusto TV. My name is Ifeoluwa, and today on the news I have, of course, Obio, Davido, and as well I have Big Bed Kuti. That's Seun Kuti's son of Afrobeat King. But before I go on, I'd like to say a big thank you to you guys for all you do for us. Thank you for the likes, thank you for comments, thank you for telling people about what we do here at Gusto. And if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you get to see our content once they drop. Starting up with Davido Obio himself. Of course, you know that Davido has been doing a lot recently. I mean, it's a whole lot that's going on around him, you know, from the dramas to Chioma to Mama Ify, you know, from Assurance to Mama Ify, and a whole lot of that, yeah. But one person knows that Davido is someone who do not joke with his kids. He doesn't play with his kids at all. We've seen a lot of videos of him with Made, with other kids, and you know, he's one father that tries to balance, you know, the equation in between his children from, you know, their mothers. He tries to balance the relationship between them. Yes, but recently, you know, one child that has always been, you know, in the discussion online is Ifeanyi. That's the child Chioma has for him. Yeah, a lot of people are like, oh, Chioma said did not allow Davido have access to his son, and a whole lot of that. Oh, and mom said she should let him have access. But you know, he has been able to debunk this allegation in, you know, numerous videos of himself and Ifeanyi having a good time, you know, to seeing him moving with his cousin's kids, and Ifeanyi, you know, all having a good time, putting up his picture and say, oh, this is the heir to the 30BG dynasty. And not limited to that, we could see him when he was going, you know, working towards the jet, his private jet, just a few hours ago while he was traveling. You could see that he was putting on a blanket on his body, and it has, you know, the face of Ifeanyi boldly on it. Even while on the plane, you know, he put up a picture as well. You could see that he covered his body with that. Shows that the kind of relationship he has with his son, despite the fact that he's not with him at the moment or traveling with him as he goes around. But going with that, people are beginning to talk, oh, the love of Davido for his son, of course, is the son. And they said that is the heir to his 30BG dynasty. Yes, so that's for Davido. Well, moving on, Davido is still in the news, of course. Davido has been talking a lot about all that is happening in Nigeria, from, you know, the rape, coming up to speak up concerning the rape issues going on, to talking about the country, you know, the recent when the news came up that one of a cleric in Nigeria is missing. He came up and spoke about the fact that how did he get to this man? It's no longer funny, it's no longer, it's becoming dangerous, it's evil, it's disgusting. What's going on in Nigeria at the moment? He has been somebody that talks a lot about it. So this time around, he has come up to say, you know, Nigeria don't choke. Oh, he said he choked. That even the people that choked it, they are even living. Yeah, that's another time Davido has tried to, as usual, hear his voice concerning what is going on in Nigeria. This time around, he said that the country is getting out of hand, and those who, you know, who seem to have been contributors to the state of the country at the moment are as well on their way out. They are also running. So I'm wondering who will remain in the country. But yeah, that's from Davido. He said the country don't choke, and even them, they run. I saw he has left that as well. But anyways, yep. So that's on that one concerning Davido. But one other thing Davido has been able to state that despite all that is going on in Nigeria, despite the state of the economy, a lot of sector has not been doing well, has been going from bad to worse. You know, so many people talking about how, you know, this sector used to be in the past and now it is at the moment. But if there's one sector of the economy in Nigeria that seems to have continually put the country on the forefront, is entertainment. Has come out to say that entertainment saved Nigeria. Of course, it doesn't say it's saving Nigeria. Yeah, it's right on that particular one, because if we look at everything that is happening around, from music to movies to different aspects of entertainment, Nigerians have been doing well. Of course, we know the Grammy Award that just concluded. We had two Nigerians who won that. We had Wizkid, we have Burna Boy, you know, from the song getting certified, you know, in different countries to gold, to platinum, and a lot of that. Davido's Fall as well, you know, the most sold Afrobeat song of all time. So of course, from such an economy like Nigeria, that, you know, those giant strides coming up from our entertainers, be it in the movie, be it in the music industry and other aspect of entertainment, it will be justified for Davido to say, amidst all that is going on, entertainment has saved Nigeria. Yes, Davido has been as good as an activist recently, talking so much about all that is going on in the country, and we'd love to see that. It's a good one to know that, you know, our musicians are not just limited to music, but are also airing their voice for the plight of the average man in Nigeria on a daily basis. Well, moving on, my my news is Big Bed Kuti. This one person we don't see in the news a whole lot of time. It doesn't just talk. Yeah, of course, you know Seun Kuti is the son of Fela Anikulapo Kuti. This man is actually the Afrobeat king. Yes, a lot of what we see today in Afrobeat sets have been created by their father Fela Kuti from the Beatles. The time Femi Kuti came out to actually talk about the fact that all the beats we see in Afrobeat today, parties, that, you know, ladies dancing and all, were all created by their father. So yeah, when you talk about Fela Kuti, you know, one Nigeria that has been able to put Nigeria on the forefront during his time, and it still remains relevant even after his death. So yeah, his son Big Bed Kuti, as is popularly called, has come up to speak about what is going on in Nigeria at the moment. Of course, you know, there are ongoing cases of rapes, you know, to ladies being murdered by perpetrators of this evil act, and he has come up to talk about this, that men needs to understand in Nigeria that women were not created for them, and just as they created, everybody's created to do their own thing. He went on to talk about the fact that religion is another problem in the country, saying that those who commit this act are either Muslims or Christians, and so religion has nothing to do with people's behavior, as you know, humans are just generally wicked. He said that the African woman has, you know, worked probably, you know, half naked or whatever for about 100 or 1,000 years of existence on Earth. And I mean, all these things were not happening in the past. How come it's not happening during this time? So he's saying the way a woman dressed shouldn't be a reason she's being raped. Of course, we've seen situations whereby people are properly dressed, putting on hijabs and all of that, and things like that still happen. So he's gone on to call up to people that it has nothing to do with religion, but for us to shun everything that has to do with this in our society. Speak up when you see things like that. Let's not use religion as an an excuse for people perpetrating evil acts. He talked about the fact that even our clerics, you know, has abused some of the boys at, you know, while they are serving in the church and all of that. Yes, Big Bed Kuti have raised his voice concerning the ongoing cases of rape in Nigeria and murder, and has called the attention of everybody to put hands together to bring an end to that and return sanity to our society. On this news, this is where I'll be saying goodbye. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you get to see our content once they drop. See you.